California, a large state with a large diversity of regions and of food, wine, and travel. Come with us on Tasteable as we explore what makes California so tasty. Today on Tasteable, a visit to Half Moon Bay, California coffee pots, and California chocolate edibles. Sit back and enjoy. Today on Tasteable.
Support for Tasteable California provided by
Hop Mock Tavern. It's the place to celebrate. Hop Mock serves fresh, in-season craft beers, tasty tavern fare, and great shows at its music venue, The Session Room, and in the beer garden. Hop Mock Tavern. The Green Cross. Whether you come to them or they come to you, the Green Cross delivers.
Domaine de Taste, bringing you the finest in lifestyle publications and events. Special thanks to Club Card Printing, with a mission of providing high-quality, fairly priced printing services, from business cards to a complete range of branding, packaging, and marketing materials.